Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here from BeautyWill. This should be a construction type vest. And look at that. There it is. So see, it's like one of those construction-y vests, but this one here says security on it. So this is good if you are doing security for anything. Oh, it says security on the front as well. So here we go. Let's try this on. I am about 5'10", about 175 pounds, to give you an idea of what it looks like on somebody. And oh, what size did I even get? I think it says large, large. So this is what a large would look like. So here we go. So next time I want to sneak into a concert or something, I can just wear this vest on the inside there. It'll get me in through the place. But look at that. How cool is that? So nice little security vest. So next time I'm working security or doing some stuff like that, I have my nice vest. So thumbs up. Very nice. Got the pockets on it and everything here too. So I can put my phone in there. Got a little badge place here so I could, right there, so I could put my card in there where it says my name or the company I'm working for at the time or whatever. A couple of loops here, could carabiner things or whatever I want to that. So nice. I like it. Totally good. Thumbs up.